Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I've unboxed the new Samsung super fast wall charger. It's 45 watt with USB-C to USB-C cable. Here's some quick details right here. It's power delivery, so that's good. It has that ever needed USB-C cable. You can pause the video anytime to take a look at these details, but most of them will be in the description below the video. All that's in the box is this charger and this cable. So here's the actual charger. 45 watts PD is great for even Apple devices. Current pricing at the AT&T store is $50, but they have a discount right now, so you might want to check it out. The discount is pretty substantial and pretty good, so you might want to look at that if you need a 45 watt adapter. So it's kind of large, but it does 45 watts, which is good for some laptops like the MacBook Air. And here's the USB-C to USB-C cable. Pretty standard thickness. There's no nylon and no braiding, so probably won't last too long, but it doesn't matter because the price as brings up at the register at the AT&T store comes down pretty good. So we like that this has a lot of power. It'll switch power from the smartphones at 18 watts or 15 watts all the way up to laptops that use 45 watts. So this works great also with wireless charging pucks. They can use up to 20 watts if you have a 15 watt wireless charging puck. And this is the new super fast wall charger from Samsung at 45 watts. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up.